Welcome to Vlorish. We are so excited to show you how you can get the most out of this amazing app. Let's deep dive into it. The first thing you'll notice is the user interface, which is exceptionally streamlined and clean. There's a notable absence of clutter, nothing to overwhelm the user. The organization of each page within the app is consistent. On the left-hand side, you'll find a neatly tucked-away side menu that doesn't intrude upon the primary screen real estate. This serves as the main section of your screen. We've made sure this menu remains discreetly hidden, ready for easy navigation whenever you need it. It's a straightforward approach. On the right side, you'll always have access to a summary block tailored to the content of the page you're currently on. Typically, this block provides a concise overview of the main documents or data you're working with in the middle section. You have the flexibility to either hide it or keep it displayed if you're working with a larger screen. The central section is where you engage in budgeting activities, entering data, and monitoring information. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you found this information valuable. Goodbye.